This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session tabs in the 360 Secure browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the 360 Secure browser opened up now. To always retain your previous session tabs, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the On Startup, and by default it's probably set to open the new tab page. It gives you a second option, continue where you left off, and the third option is open a specific page or set of pages. To always retain your previous session, you want to toggle on the middle one, continue where you left off. That is how to always retain your previous session tabs on the 360 Secure browser. Thanks for watching.